Welcome back to Origami for Kids and the first part of our summer Origami Airplane Collection. We know that school's almost out and that summer's about to start, so we want to give you guys something fun to do. The first thing we're going to do is fold our sheet of paper in half. Next, we're going to open it up and fold the top corners down into that new crease. Next, we're going to fold it in half. Then, from that bottom corner, we're going to pull it upward to meet the top line. Just like that. Then you're going to repeat on the other side. And that's it. This is our super easy airplane. So now you're going to lift it up and then lift up those flaps, and there you go. That's your plane. We hope you guys enjoyed. Tell us how it works and send us a video if you test it out. Please like and subscribe.